Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the ES6 syntax for the object literals to have cleaner and flexible code. So first of all, let's talk about the object property initializer shorthand. So suppose we have the function person which takes the name and age, and this return one object with the property name as the parameter name and the age property with the parameter age. Now we can create the object p1. So we have to call the function and we have to pass the name and age. And if we console log the object p1, so you can see we have the object with the property age and name. So here you can see the object properties key and value have the same name. So in that case, because both of them are same, so we can remove them and we can just simply write name and age. And you can see we have the same output. So with the ES6 syntax we can remove the redundant property names. And let's now see how we can use the ES6 syntax to make the property names dynamic. So suppose we have the object student with the name as Sam and age as 20. So here you can see the property names are hard coded. So with the ES6 syntax we can make them dynamic. Suppose we have the variable x with the value name and the variable y with the value age. Now instead of writing name and age, we can use the variables. We can use x and y. So to make the property names dynamic, we have to use the square bracket notation, and inside that we can pass the variables, and this way our object properties will be dynamic. So now if we console log the student object, so you can see our object is the same as earlier. So here the object is working properly, but the advantage is that we can make change to our property names dynamically. So instead of name we can use xxx, and you can see the object property name has changed. And also with the ES6 we can use the shorthand syntax while defining methods inside the object. So here inside the object normally we can define one method like getName. So we have to use the function keyword, and then we can return the name, and then we can call the method, and here you can see we have the output. So that is the normal way of defining method inside one object. But with the ES6 we can use the shorthand syntax for the method. So we can remove the colon and the function keyword, and this way we can define the method, and you can see we have the same output. So the function is working fine, but here our code is a lot more concise. So with the ES6 syntax we can have space in the method name. So we can define one method like getAge, and we can return the age. So here you can see we have space in the function name, and that is totally valid with the ES6. And now to call the method, we have to do is we have to use the square bracket notation, and inside that we have to pass the method name, and after that we have to call that method, and you can see we have the age of that student. So this way we can use the ES6 syntax and we can make our code lot more flexible and readable. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.